Dear students, in this lecture, we are going to study about properties of determinants. So these properties are applicable for all the square matrices. But right now, according to our syllabus, we are restricted these properties. We are applying these properties for only 3 rows and 3 columns. In further, it can also be applied for 4 by 4, 5 by 5, and in some other cases, it will be up to n by n also. So before going to start properties of determinants, first we must know the determinant of a given matrix and the determinant of its transpose. Both are same. So I will first convey this concept with an example, then we'll go for properties now. Suppose here I'm going to give you this like A matrix. So A matrix here 2 1 0 3 1 1 and 2 3 4. So this is the A matrix, and A transpose, that is A dash, that means transpose. Transpose means you take row like this 2 1 0 3 1 1 and 2 3 4 I have given. So this is, you interchange row to column or column to row. Transpose, this is called transpose. Transpose means 2 1 0. Here you see 2 1 0 is row, but I will write it as column 2 1 0. Here 3 1 1 is row, but I will make it as column 3 1 1. And 2 3 4 is row, but I will make it as column 2 3 4. So this is called A transpose. Now what is meant by A transpose? Interchanging row and column. Interchanging row into column or column into row. So what is A transpose? They have to interchange. 2 1 0 is a row. Here I will make it as column 2 1 0. And 3 1 1, yes, 3 1 1 is a row in the matrix A. Now 3 1 1 will become second column in transpose. 2 3 4, and this will become 2 3 4. This is called transpose. So transpose is nothing but, so transpose of a matrix is, so transpose is nothing but interchanging row and columns of a matrix. Interchanging row to column or column to row. Now what happened? We'll take out its determinant, that is this determinant of A. So that is 2 1 0 and 3 1 1 3 1 1 2 3 4. Look at this. So again, first row only I'm expanding directly, plus minus plus. So determinant of A is equal to 2 into, directly I'll write 2 into horizontal vertical 4 minus 3 minus 1 into 1 we have taken, vertical get cancelled here. You see, look at here, vertical get cancelled and horizontal get cancelled. 3 4 2 1, 3 4 is a 12 minus 2, and last plus 0 into anything is 0. So therefore 2 into 4 minus 3 1, minus 1 into 12 minus 2 is 10. Therefore 2 minus 10, this will become minus 8. So determinant of A is equal to minus 8. Now I'll take determinant of A transpose. This is called transpose. So I'm going to take determinant of A transpose. Determinant of, what is meant by transpose once again? The transpose means interchanging rows and columns of a matrix is known as transpose of that matrix. So 2 3 2 1 1 3 0 1 4. So this is, again first row only we'll go expand it, plus minus plus. Of course you can expand by using any row or any column, but first row again plus 2, again 4 minus 3 and minus 3, that is 3. 3 horizontal get cancelled 1, that is equal to 1 4, 0 3, 1 4 is a 4, 0 into 3 is what, 0, and plus 2 at 2 vertical and horizontal 1, that is 1 minus 0. So therefore 2 into 1 minus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. 2 minus 12 plus 2, that is equal to minus 8. So from this what you observe, from this what you are going to observe, so determinant of A and determinant of its transpose are always same. Determinant of A, and so here determinant means transpose of this matrix means, look at this, transpose of this matrix means, so you wanted to find out A dash. A dash means in A you go for, this is row, you take row and make it column 2 1 0, or you take column and you make it as row. Interchanging row into column or column into row is known as transpose. So 2 1 0, here 3 1 1 is a row, make it as column 3 1 1, and 2 3 4 is row, here you make it as, this is 2 3 4 column. That means determinant of given matrix and determinant of its transpose, always they will be equal. The first property we have to prove this only. So what is the first property? It says that the value of the determinant is not changed. The value of the determinant is not altered if the determinant in any determinant, so once again I'll tell you, in any determinant, if the rows and columns are interchanged, if the rows and columns are interchanged, the value of the determinant is not altered, or the value of any determinant is remains same if the rows and columns of a determinant are interchanged. So this is the first property we are going to learn, but there you cannot give the example. I have made you people to understand the concept clearly. That's what I've expanded. I've cleared your concept, this concept, through an example. But in examination, he will ask you to prove it. Prove that if the rows and columns of any determinant are interchanged, then prove that the value of the determinant is always same, or prove that the value of the determinant is not altered. So that is the first property we are going to learn. So in the next lecture, I'm going to cover all the properties. Thank you, dear students.